question related to sea salt. There is a study done on sea salt from different countries, and they found plastic in almost every sea salt. So, what do you suggest we should eat?
What did they find?
Plastic.
Plastic. Yeah.
Plastic.
That I have been telling for the last 20 years.
Oh,
Last 20 years. So what actually the amount of plastic we are consuming through salt is almost, I would say, nothing. Uh, Actually, the amount of plastic we are ingesting through water is the highest. People are not talking about that. Water all over the world, people are taking water, and water is contacted to the plastic, whether through filters or through bottles or whatever it is. So actually, the amount of plastic you are consuming, the maximum is by water. So change the water and go through the protocol for water cleaning, copper plate and all that. So salt you consume very small amount, maximum 1 gram or so per day. So the amount of plastic you consume, and then if you have structured water in your cooking and all, that also can come out of your body, and you are eating millets, all the junk that is inside will be pulled out. So don't worry.
yes, sir. We
Salt
have
is the least of the concerns. Water is the most difficult thing. Water maximum plastic, so that you want to keep your eyes on.
Okay. Yeah, we have been following millets for the past 1.5 year. Entire lifestyle copper.
Absolutely, no problems at all these junk things that go into our body, consciously or unconsciously, that you are dumping in your body, will be cleaned up by the 5 minutes. The fiber is so good, and that's how you are all are going to be healthy, and that's the most important thing.